Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am doing a video on the avocado hair mask. Ever since I did the shot on the avocado hair mask, there has been so many views on that video, and so I decided to do a full video in terms of how do you make your avocado hair mask. So you start with having your avocados. I meant to use 2 avocados, but later on I changed my mind, and so I used only 1 avocado. So I start by cutting off pieces of the avocado. I'll be using this black bowl, a small bowl that is placed on this table. So I start by cutting it off into pieces and then I place in that bowl. Some of the benefits of the avocado hair mask is that avocado hair mask gives you deep moisturization for your hair. Remember, I had done a video to show you the benefits of the avocado oil. I'll be linking a video here that you can go and watch because avocados really have natural oils and fatty acids that support in hydrating your hair. Again, it also helps strengthen your hair because it has quite a number of vitamins. I think it has vitamin D, it also has vitamin E, and also it supports in that protein reinforcing, especially for the weak hair, and it also reduces the breakage. So again, avocado really helps in adding that shine. Trust me, I applied this avocado hair mask on my hair. You will be seeing later on as I go on with this video. And by the time I was washing it off, my hair was really shiny. You would see that shiny. So it just makes my hair very, very shiny. And remember, I'll also be adding some oil later on this hair mask. So please tune in to watch that. Again, it also helps to repair your hair damage. If you're having that damaged hair, avocado is hair mask that is specifically really helps in doing that for you. So even if you use the avocado oil also, it just works similarly, so you can use that as well. So I'm cutting off now the avocados into smaller pieces as you can see on the video, so that I can go ahead and mash. I mashed using this nice kamuiko that rather I don't know what you call it in your name, but we call it mwiko here in Kenya. So I mashed using that mwiko. You can use a blender if you have one. My blender was misbehaving, so I prefer to do this using this mwiko. And so I continued doing that blending, or rather that mashing of my avocado. I mash it until it is fully mashed. Other benefits of the avocado hair mask is the fact that it also helps in soothing your scalp, and of course the nourishing the scalp. And also, sometimes our hair does the flakiness, so it also helps in that scalp health, so that you're not having a flaky scalp. Remember, I said that it has vitamin E, so it is very, very good for you. And the last item is that it supports growing your hair directly. So I added this oil and I wanted to show you it is a natural hair growth oil. It supports me generally in growing my hair. I had listed, you can go back and watch that video. I had listed the items that this oil has, but among them, it has the neem oil. It also has palm oil that also supports in growing your hair. So I'll add a few drops of that. Use the side of the spoon that you don't eat with. So mix with the side that you do not eat with. Then you mix that together. You make sure that you're mixing it fully. Remember, you do not want any particles on your hair, so try as much as possible to have all this mixture as smooth as possible because we'll be applying this on our hair. So I took some time in just making sure that that oil is fully mixed there, and again I'm crushing any big particles that I feel in that whole mask that is looking now very, very good. It's ready for us to put on our hair. So then, as usual, we start with detangling our hair. I also used a big comb so that I can comb the hair and ensure that it is fully combed before I add any air mask on my hair. I ensure that there are no tangles on my hair. So I'll be applying that portion per portion. I had already separated my hair, as you can see. So I just add that portion by portion. I'll fully ensure that every portion, or rather every strand, is fully saturated with this hair mask. So you will see me trying to just apply as much as possible. The one avocado is very, very enough because my hair is just 1 year old. It is long, yes, not that long. So this one avocado was fully enough for my hair, and you will be seeing that. So the process is quite repetitive, as you can see. For each portion that I've separated, I'll be applying the air mask after I've detangled. So that is just how I do the whole process. Some of the questions that I get on this avocado hair mask is people just will ask you, does it really promote hair growth? Okay, let's just be very honest. Avocado is not a magic potion that's gonna make your hair grow 10 inches overnight. No, if that is true, my friend, I would have my hair now sweeping the floor. But just what it helps is that it nourishes your scalp, it keeps your strands moisturized, and just prevents the breakage. So it helps you retain that length that you already have, as it is very important in growing it. So yes, indirectly, by making sure that your hair doesn't break, it promotes hair growth. Okay. Another question I get is, can I store this air mask and just, or must it be very fresh at all times? Oh, so have you seen avocado left out for too long? It turns out brown, guys. And it just looks like, what is it going through? Is it midlife crisis or what's happening? So nope. I don't think you should store it. Always use it when it's very fresh. And if you just made too much, I think maybe you might have to just tell your hair that This is just your time to enjoy. So I don't think you really need to store it. Use it as fresh as possible. So you can see I'm continuing to apply on all the sides. I'm applying on the back side as much as possible. I make sure that, especially on the roots and also on the tips, that my hair is completely filled up with all this avocado. You know, the other question that I get, I'm trying to remember all the questions so that even on the comment section, as you're asking these questions, I've already answered them. There is a question that I also get, can it be used on protective styles? Now just picture this. You're in your braids or you're in your twist and you decide to just slap this avocado on your hair. Hmm. You will be picking green bits out for days, guys. So protective styles are supposed to be low maintenance. So just save your avocado for when your hair is free, like how my hair looks right now, and ready to soak up all that goodness. So just don't try using it on protective hairstyles. It might be hard to come out. So I'm already getting to the last portion for on my hair. I had 4 portions on my hair. And so I'll be finalizing with this portion. Again, just detangling, ensuring that I have no tangles on my hair, then applying the as much as possible. I told you that 1 avocado is enough for me. So yeah. The other question that people will ask is, will my hair smell like guacamole, or rather the avocado? So listen, guys, if you don't rinse out properly, I will wash my hair just like a normal wash day after this. If you don't rinse out properly, you will step out, of course, smelling like it's that day that you have avocados on your hair. But I'm joking anyway. But if you just wash it well, you just shampoo your hair and you condition like normally, you will smell the right way, just normally. What will just remain is just a good shine on your hair. All right. And then someone else will ask me, but can I just use or eat all the avocado instead? So instead of you just eating the avocado, we need the avocado to work also on your hair. It gives nutrients both ways, you know. You just can, yes, you can eat it, yes, but do both. You know, avocado is very, very good. So just do both. It gives you a balance. And by now I'm completing my hair. As you can see, I have completed the application process on all the portions. So whatever is remaining is for me to ensure that all other areas I have applied very well. I am ensuring even the last bits of my hair, even the baby hairs, that's what we call them, I have applied completely on them. And then ensure you're massaging all that goodness in. Ensure that all that goodness is massaged in. Take your time to do the massages. As you've seen, 1 avocado, very, very enough. Look at how my hair looks. Very, very thick. I love my hair, guys. Anyway, so I just massaged it in. I took my time with my hair. I always take my time with the massages because I know it helps in terms of making my scalp feel really good, and even in terms of growing my hair, massaging is very, very good. So after this, what we'll do is just have the cap on. And that is it, guys. I'll not show you the wash process, but that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. please watch out for my other two videos that I've linked here. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.